Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to map inputs and outputs so that we no longer need to use direct address representations such as IX 0.0 or QX 0.0. To do this, we need to go to the CPU configuration, then select Integrated I/O Mapping, and since we will be using digital inputs and outputs, we will expand the digital I/O option. We will start then by configuring the digital inputs first byte, which is this one. And here, for example, at IX 0.0, I can assign names or any words as long as it does not contain accents, spaces, or any special characters. So, for instance, I will name input 0 as input underline 0 and input 1 as input underline 1. I can also add a description which works like a comment. I can describe what might be connected to input 00. So let's say it's a sensor 0 and sensor 1. And to map the digital outputs, it's the same procedure. So for output 00, let's name it output underline 0. And for output 01, let's name it output underline 1. And let's say that the outputs are being used to drive some LEDs. So LED 0 and LED 1. And one cool thing about Maestro Tool is that the software is not case sensitive, so it does not matter whether the name is written in uppercase or lowercase. Now let's go back to the user PRG and replace these addresses by the names. So IX00 by input underline 0 and QX00 by output underline 0. And there we go. That's how you can link names to inputs and outputs in Maestro Tool. That's it for this video, and I see you on the next one.